Hello everyone! Today's topic is the Microsoft Azure DevOps Certification course. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss the Microsoft Azure DevOps Certification course. The Microsoft Azure DevOps Certification course is designed for professionals who want to master DevOps practices using Microsoft Azure. This certification, known as AZ400, validates expertise in continuous integration, CI, continuous deployment, CD, infrastructure as code, IAC, monitoring, and security. The course covers DevOps methodologies, agile project management, source code management, CI/CD pipelines, and automation. Learners will gain hands-on experience with Azure DevOps services, GitHub, Kubernetes, Terraform, and ARM templates. It also focuses on security, compliance, and monitoring tools like Azure Monitor and Application Insights. Ideal for DevOps engineers, cloud developers, system administrators, and IT professionals, this training enhances skills in collaboration, automation, and deployment of cloud applications. Prior knowledge of Azure services, scripting, and version control systems is recommended. By earning the Microsoft Certified DevOps Engineer Expert AZ400 credential, professionals boost their career prospects in cloud computing, software development, and automation. This globally recognized certification helps candidates secure high-paying jobs in DevOps engineering, cloud automation, and site reliability engineering. SRE. Advance your career with Microsoft Azure DevOps training and become a certified DevOps engineer. Here are the eligibility criteria for the Microsoft Azure DevOps Certification course. Basic knowledge of Azure. Understanding of Azure services and cloud computing, experience with DevOps practices, familiarity with CI/CD, Agile, and automation, version control skills, hands-on experience with Git, GitHub, or Azure repos, scripting knowledge, proficiency in PowerShell, Bash, or Python for automation, familiarity with CI/CD pipelines, experience in Jenkins, Azure DevOps, or GitHub Actions, understanding of infrastructure as code, IAC, knowledge of Terraform, ARM templates, or Ansible, containerization skills, working knowledge of Docker and Kubernetes, monitoring and security awareness, understanding of Azure Monitor, Application Insights, and security best practices, experience in application development or IT operations, prior work in development, system administration, or DevOps engineering, passion for automation and cloud technologies, willingness to learn, implement, and optimize DevOps processes. Next, we discuss the roles and salaries in Microsoft Azure DevOps Certification course. Azure DevOps Engineer implements CI/CD pipelines, automates deployments, and manages cloud infrastructure. Salary, $110K to $150K per year. Cloud Engineer designs and deploys cloud solutions using Azure services and DevOps methodologies. Salary, $100K to $140K per year. Release Manager oversees software releases, ensuring smooth deployments and minimal downtime. Salary, $90K to $130K per year. Site Reliability Engineer, SRE, enhances system reliability through automation, monitoring, and incident response. Salary, $120K to $160K per year. Azure DevOps Consultant advises companies on best DevOps practices, tools, and Azure integrations. Salary, $110K to $155K per year. Infrastructure Engineer manages cloud infrastructure, networking, and security configurations. Salary, $95K to $140K per year. Build and Release Engineer focuses on automating build processes and managing version control systems. Salary, $90K to $135K per year. Security Engineer implements DevSecOps practices, ensuring secure application development. Salary, $105K to $150K per year. Automation Engineer creates automation scripts for deployments, testing, and monitoring. Salary, $95K to $140K per year. DevOps Architect designs and optimizes DevOps workflows, tools, and cloud strategies. Salary, $130K to $180K per year. The last topic is the training program. GoLogica offers a complete Microsoft Azure DevOps certification course designed to provide professionals with the expertise needed to manage and automate software development processes efficiently. This course covers all key aspects of Azure DevOps, including continuous integration, CI, continuous deployment, CD, infrastructure as code, IAC, security integration, and monitoring strategies. Through hands-on experience, learners will gain a deep understanding of DevOps best practices, cloud automation, and collaboration tools that enhance software delivery and operational efficiency. As part of the training, you will learn to implement CI/CD pipelines, automate infrastructure deployment using ARM templates and Terraform, manage repositories with Git, and monitor applications using Azure Monitor and Application Insights. The course also provides insights into Azure DevOps services, agile project management, and containerization with Kubernetes. By mastering these skills, you will be prepared for key roles such as Azure DevOps Engineer, Cloud Engineer, Release Manager, and Automation Engineer. Upon successful completion, you will receive a certification that validates your expertise in Azure DevOps, increasing your employability in cloud and DevOps roles. Additionally, GoLogica offers resume building support and interview preparation to help you showcase your skills effectively and secure job opportunities. The course is designed for flexible, self-paced learning with expert guidance available throughout. With the GoLogica Microsoft Azure DevOps certification course, you will be fully prepared to tackle real-world DevOps challenges and advance your career in cloud computing and automation.